Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the Claude Design. So if you don't know, the Claude Design is an AI-powered visual creation tool developed by Anthropic Labs that allows users to generate polished interfaces, interactive prototypes, slide desks, and marketing assets using natural language. It is powered by the Claude Opus 4.7 vision model. The platform bridges the gap between text prompts and production ready designs by utilizing a split screen canvas interface. So as you can see right now, I am in the official product documentation for the Claude design. It says your idea designed with Claude. So explore more directions than deadline arrows, describe a prototype, deck, or one pager, and Claude builds a draft, refine it yourself, or hand it off to your tools or Claude code. You are the designer from start to finish. Now you can explore this page to learn more about the Claude design. So here you can see it is the frontier intelligence for every type of design works like prototypes, wireframes, mockups, design explorations, pitch decks, marketing collateral, documents, and many more. So if you want to explore more, you can see how it works. So it does this idea to visual in minutes. You just need to tell Claude what you need. It builds a first version you can react to and you refine until it's yours. Then you can build in your design systems. That means import from GitHub design files or your local code base so Claude can build with your real components. The output looks like your company, not a template. And if you move between Claude Design and Claude Code, pull in your design system from Claude Code using Design Sync or work directly in Claude Code with Design. It has got fine-grained controls from the canvas to the tools you use. Also, you can see that it is also co-powered by these particular tools and used as well like Adobe, Lovable, Replit, and many more as you can read through this particular documentation. If you wish to access this documentation, you can simply navigate to this particular link. Now, we will explore it in person. And as you can see, I am currently on my Claude window right here. And in order to launch the designs, all you will need to do is simply click on to this designs option. Or in case you don't know how to get here, you can simply type in this URL that is claude.ai a forward slash and then design. And it will lead you to this particular page right here. As you can notice, this is currently in the beta phase, so this means work is currently going on for its overall refinements. So it asks what you will design today, so you can simply ask it anything. So for example, you can simply ask it to design a TID on, or maybe let's go for something simple, maybe like design a slideshow on the implications of AI in the modern world. Then we have these parameters as well, which is the design system. So it is currently set to the organization default. If you want to add any another design systems, you can simply click onto this plus icon, and from here you can add a design systems either using the import option, using which you can connect to Figma or GitHub or upload slides and assets, or you can simply create it using Claude code as well. Then apart from that, you also have this template option. So within the templates, since I'm building a slideshow, I'm going to simply choose the slides option. And then we have the model option. As you can see, you can simply choose the model that you wish. So for the sake of the video, I am going to choose the low effort with the Opus 4.5. And let's say even for quick answers, I'm going to choose the Haiku 4.5, but the results will definitely vary depending upon what kind of model and efforts you choose. So as you can see, it has done this particular split screen, and it is currently asking me questions like how long should the presentation be. So let's say I'm going to simply select it to 2 minutes, and then it says who is your audience. Let's say I say general public, what tones, let's say balance and nuance. Then it asks for visual style preference, let's say modern and minimal, and which areas matter most. Let's say I say economic impact and jobs. And then I'm going to click on to this continue button, and you can see that it records my answers, and then it has started its engine. So as you can see that it is building a 2 minute deck on AI's economic impact for general audience. And you can see that very quickly it has also started creating all of these slides, as you can see right here. So it has successfully created all of the 8 slides. As you can see, these are very winnable and just contains enough bit of text, and it is also refining them after it has created the base questions. And here you can see it is done with the same. If I want to refine it, I can simply do the same by simply asking Claude to do this. So for example, let's say if I wanted to remove the last slide, it's going to do that. I'm going to simply send this particular command to you, and it will just simply remove the last slide. As you can see that the 8th slide has been successfully deleted or removed. So that was pretty much it about the Claude Design. Do work it out. Let us know in the comments how you liked it, and what are the things that you did not like about the same. And do let us know about the same. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.